Welcome back to the Breakdown How-To. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to install custom maps in Minecraft. No matter what version of Minecraft you are installing custom map on, by the way, this is going to work. So that's pretty freaking awesome. But before we get into the video, I want to remind you to like it and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content on Minecraft, tech, all of that awesome stuff, all sorts of how-tos every single day of the week. Your subscriptions really do mean the world to us, as we're a brand new channel here, so thank you in advance for that. Also, if you are looking for a Minecraft server that is up all the time, that's 24 hours, all of that awesome stuff, please do consider going to the breakdown.xyz/MC server to get an awesome custom server from game servers for just $1 per month. They've got the best Minecraft servers around, and yeah, you won't regret it. Like I said, they are freaking incredible. We run all of our Minecraft servers on game servers, so why not go over there and check them out? Nevertheless, let's go ahead and get this installed. First off, though, we need to download a custom map, and if you don't have one downloaded already, go to the second link down below, the breakdown.xyz/MC maps, and it will take you here where you'll find our 15 best custom maps for Minecraft. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and install... Let's see, let's do White Knight Origins. This is going to be a bit different, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click the download button here. That takes us off to Minecraft Maps, where we can click the big download map button. And then from there, it will download the Minecraft map right down here in the bottom left. Now, Minecraft maps are typically bigger, right? They're not going to be super small files. There's a lot that goes into a Minecraft map, so it might take a while to download, but ours is finishing up right now. Now, if we go ahead and minimize our browser, we've got the Minecraft map we downloaded. As you can see, White Nightmare Origins right there. Downloaded onto our desktop. If yours isn't on your desktop, no worries. Hit the Windows key and R at the exact same time, and then type in downloads. Just like that. Hit enter, and it will open up your downloads folder. Most likely, your custom map is in your downloads folder. Just drag that to your desktop for ease of use. Now we need to get this installed in Minecraft. So to do that, you're again going to hit the Windows key on your keyboard and R at the exact same time. It is again going to open up this run application, and this time though, we want to type %appdata%, %appdata%, and hit enter. Then it'll open up our roaming folder, and then we want to go into .minecraft, and then we actually want to go into saves right here, right? So double click on saves, and now installing this Minecraft map is pretty easy. All we need to do is right click on it, and then click extract all, and then we need to click extract, and that will give us another folder here on our desktop, right? It automatically opened up, but that gives us another folder here on our desktop. Open up that folder, and in here you want to go until you see this data dim1 dim-1 player data region, all that stuff. When you see stuff like this, it might not be the exact same, but when you see stuff like this, go ahead and click the back arrow right up here in the top left, and then drag this folder to your desktop. Then you should probably read this first, and then you can delete the original file we downloaded and the unzipped file from your computer, and we just need to have this one where as soon as we open it up, right, as soon as we open this up, we should see data dim1 dim-1. If you don't, keep going through folders until you see data dim1 dim-1, and then do what I did. Go back and drag that folder to your desktop. That's the one that we are then going to take and drag in to our saves folder in the .minecraft folder in roaming right there. So yeah, now your map's installed. We just need to open up Minecraft and get things running. Now, I will make one note here. You want to make sure that the version of the map you're creating is for the version of Minecraft you're playing. Now, this one is. This is for Minecraft 1.12 plus, right? 1.12, 1.12.1, and 1.12.2 will work with this mod pack, so we're good to go. But you might need to come over here to launch options and switch around the versions there as you see fit, right? You might say have a map for 1.7.3 or something. So there's that. But I'm good to go. I'm going to go ahead and click play, and I'll meet you guys on the Minecraft main menu. So once we're on the Minecraft main menu, checking to see if the map's installed is pretty easy. Just click single player. Boom. There we go. White Nightmare Origins. You can then open up the map if you would like and check things out. It's going to be a pretty cool map, I think. This is a super custom map, and I actually think the idea is that you're kind of trapped in this kind of like world and you have to get out and all sorts of stuff. So let's pull the lever. Let's pull the other lever, maybe? I don't know. Anyway, there you guys have that. Hope you enjoyed the video. I teleported. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content exactly like this every single day of the week. Again, your subscriptions really do mean the world to us. We're a brand new channel, building it from the ground up, so thank you very, very much in advance for that. Nevertheless, I'll see you guys next time. I'm Nick. This has been the Breakdown How To, and I am out. Peace.